Hey, what is up guys? Matt here from the Toasty Bros, and I'm uploading on a non-normal upload day because there's a big trend going on right now that I'm not seeing a lot of people reporting. Maybe I'm going out on a limb here with this video, but people should be a little bit weary, if not just pay a little bit more attention to what's going on right now in the cryptocurrency space. It's starting to look like we're on another rise towards a potential GPU mining craze. Now, don't get alarmed and just freak out real quick and think that everything's about to fall apart again and GPU prices are going to be like way more expensive than they were before, but there has been a big boom over the past couple of days in the cryptocurrency markets. Checking out coin market cap, there has been a big boom in Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is definitely not a currency you should be worried about when it comes to cryptocurrency mining and your graphics card pricing as just an average consumer, but Bitcoin over the past couple of days has gone from $6,000 on May 9th all the way up to hitting a peak of around $8,000 a few days ago, and that's one of the biggest jumps it's had in a long time. And if you can look at this graph, pretty much ever since the big boom that happened back when it hit close to like $20,000 in value. As someone who's kind of interested in the cryptocurrency community, one thing that you should know is a lot of other cryptocurrencies benefit from the success of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's doing well, some of these other cryptocurrencies are bound to do well, and because of that, there is one cryptocurrency you should keep an eye on again, and that is Ethereum, a cryptocurrency that is, well, very popular, and based on the boom of BTC, there has been kind of a reaction from Ethereum, and it is going up in price right now as well. And because of that, looking at Ethereum profitability on this crypto compare website, the profitability for Ethereum is definitely going up, and if people want to mine Ethereum, they have the ability to make some money again. Now, the main reason I'm bringing this up is because of a couple of things. One, the Ryzen 3000 series launch and the rumors of Navi are on the horizon, and it's kind of looking a lot like when the new release happened for the RX series cards, and after a few months of release there was a big boom in cryptocurrency, and then those GPUs were then sold off into these GPU mining farms. There was a shortage of graphics cards, and then eventually we ended up with a big graphics card price hike. Now, the main reason I'm making this video is not to scare you and have you go out and buy a bunch of GPUs to get into crypto mining, or just to buy a bunch of graphics cards in hopes of flipping them on the market because somehow the cryptocurrency mining boom is going to happen again. I don't know 100%. Nobody really knows. It's a lot of people guessing, but based on these predictions and what I've seen so far, it could blow up again, and this is kind of an early sign for people to start being a little bit weary of what's going to happen in the future, and it's something I haven't seen many tech YouTubers talking about again, and I kind of wanted to get out in front of it and start a discussion to see if there's people within the cryptocurrency community that knows more about this and may have an idea of what we're looking at in the future. Because when the first cryptocurrency mining craze died, a lot of people were kind of like, yo, this is probably gonna happen again, and right now prices are as good as ever. So if you're kind of considering building a PC using some used parts or even new parts right now, like AMD cards or even NVIDIA cards, it might not be a bad idea to go ahead and build your system now. I'm not saying that you need to, like 100% need to, because it's a guarantee that's going to happen, but just know that it could happen, and you never really know with cryptocurrency when the big boom is going to happen, and everyone's going to be running out to pick up some new graphics cards to start their mining farms up again. So that's really about it, guys. I just want to make this quick video hanging out in the office while I'm benchmarking a PC to talk about what I've been noticing in the market recently. And because of the market kind of settling down, it really hasn't intertwined with the PC gaming community again and really affected our pricing, because PC pricing is really good right now. So with this on the horizon, I just want to put this out there, and hopefully this is the only video I have to make about this, and hopefully I'm not having to make another video telling people that, well, it's back again for sure. So thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please leave a like and comment GPU mining in the comment section down below if you made it this far. If you're into the cryptocurrency space and you're mining, let me know if you're actually mining right now, and just forewarned, you're probably going to get attacked by people in the comments who hate cryptocurrency miners, just letting you know. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you're mining and if you're interested in mining, or if this boom has really helped you in terms of profitability, and I would love to reply and have a discussion down below. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Peace.